Forget what you know about gaming laptops. This isn't one. This is the MSI Titan 18HX AI, a machine so powerful it makes desktops jealous. Let's unleash the most powerful laptop of 2025. At its core, the Intel Core Ultra 9 285HX, a 24-core AI-enhanced processor pushing up to 220 watts. Pure desktop-grade fury in a laptop. And then there's the RTX 5090 laptop GPU, 24 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory, and NVIDIA's new Blackwell architecture. DLSS 4, multi-frame generation, and next-gen ray reconstruction. The future of visuals, now portable. A stunning 18-inch UHD plus Mini-LED display with 120Hz refresh and 100% DCI P3 coverage. Brighter, sharper, and smoother than ever. MSI's OverBoost Ultra pushes both CPU and GPU together to a combined 270 watts, unleashing raw, unrestricted performance. Keeping all that power cool, a massive vapor chamber cooling system with 4 exhausts, dedicated SSD heat pipe, and 3D cooling stands for perfect airflow. Built from magnesium aluminum alloy, crafted through advanced fixamolding, durable, lightweight, and premium to the touch. Type with precision. The Cherry MX Ultra Low Profile keyboard delivers mechanical tactility and per-key RGB brilliance. Every press feels alive. MSI takes interactivity to the next level. That RGB haptic touchpad gives you color, feedback, and control all in one glass surface. And with the Dynaudio 6-speaker setup, you get deep bass, crisp treble, and spatial clarity that makes every explosion, every soundtrack hit harder. Connectivity goes next-gen. Thunderbolt 5 for 120 gigabits per second speeds, Wi-Fi 7, dual ports, HDMI 2.1, and even a full SD card reader. Everything faster. With Thunderbolt, share, control, and transfer data between 2 laptops instantly. One cable, limitless collaboration. Even the webcam means business. Full HDIR with HDR and 3D noise reduction, plus a privacy shutter when you're off the clock. Weighing 3.6 kilos, it's no featherweight, and the 99.9 where battery lasts only a few hours. But that's the trade-off for uncompromised power. The MSI Titan 18HX AI isn't a laptop, it's a declaration. A statement that portable doesn't mean compromise. If power, performance, and precision matter above all, this is your Titan. Subscribe for more cutting-edge tech breakdowns, only on FutureTechPlug.